Hey guys, welcome to Unit 2 here at 95 West Walnut Park here in Eggleston Square of Boston. This is personally my favorite unit inside this entire building for a couple of reasons. First, as you notice as I enter the unit, we've got two generous sized coat closets for you and all your guests. And then you immediately walk into our open concept kitchen, living, and dining space. We have a kitchen here along the back wall, an island with a sink, with space for 4 people to sit as well, and then a nice generous sized living space with room for a dining table if you wanted to add, with tons of natural light from the windows here in front of me. This is a really great layout and a great design that our team came up with. And then we have our bedrooms kind of on another side of the unit. It really separated the living space from the bedrooms in a really great way. We'll show you how. All right guys, as I come out of our kitchen and dining space, we immediately walk into kind of the bedroom separation part of the house. Here on this level, we have our 2 guest or kids bedrooms that are really generously sized, as well as we have our washer dryer closet and our second bathroom. These bedrooms are almost the size of some of the master suites we've done in the past, so wait till you see the master suite that's upstairs and totally separate. This is my favorite unit in this building for this exact reason. We have an incredibly large master suite, the walk-in closet on one side, bathroom on another side. It's gonna have a double vanity, huge stand-up shower, and then you have this awesome master bedroom, large enough for 2 king beds if you wanted. We've got 5 skylights total on this floor, 4 in this bedroom, and then 1 in the bathroom as well. These skylights also have built-in solar shades, so as soon as the sun comes out during the day, instead of heat coming in through that glass and really radiating and making this room really hot, it's got built-in solar shades that'll come down and deflect some of that heat that's coming out.